This is why you need Prodentum in your life. Stick around and find out why. We've all been there, folks. You wake up with a mouth that feels like a desert and breath that could scare a skunk. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural way to fix that? Say hello to Prodentum. Prodentum is packed with 3.5 billion probiotics that work to balance your oral microbiome. Translation? It fights off bad breath, reduces gum inflammation, and keeps plaque at bay. Plus, it's a chewable tablet. Talk about easy peasy. Imagine biting into your morning bagel without worrying about stinky breath or sensitive gums. With Prodentum, you can enjoy those moments fear-free. It's like having a mini dental army in your pocket. So why settle for temporary fixes when you can have long-lasting freshness? And you don't have to walk around with bad breath and ugly teeth any longer. It ends today. It's time to take control of your oral health today. Your smile is one of your greatest assets. Don't let bad breath, gum issues, crooked and bad teeth, or tooth decay take it away. Support your teeth and gums the natural way with this powerful solution. Strengthen your teeth, fight bad bacteria, enjoy fresher breath and healthier gums. Don't wait. Give your mouth the care it deserves. Click the link below to get started with Prodentum now. Grab yours today before it's too late.